Oh, okay, so I just got that this Beocord 8004. I used to have the 9000, you know, but I mean I lost it in a flood. So so I got a hold of this one, you know, from a friend. So I want to see what's wrong with it. The problem with it is that it rewinds and fast forwards, but it won't play the cassette. So I want to see if it's the idler tire or if it's the belt that is bad. I'm gonna check it right now. You know, I don't see the capstan turning. So oh yeah, look at that. I can see the yeah. Okay, I can see the boy. Yeah, I can see the pinch roller right there, just stuck right there. Like, okay, we're gonna see we're gonna see what's wrong with it. Okay, so yeah, it's a very large deck. You know, very huge, humongous. You know, I would say. You know, look at this. It's very wide. It is very. It's. I mean, the height is not that big, but I mean the depth and the width is very large. You know. I'm gonna compare it to you with one of my receivers, my Harman Kardon HK 730, so you can see. So like I was showing you, you can see the pinch roller is just out of the mechanism. I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna have to check to see what's wrong with the pinch roller. Why is like that? That's kind of odd, you know. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna check to see what's wrong with it. I'm gonna have to remove the mechanism, you know. So I already have an idea what I'm gonna do. I have to remove a couple screws back here, and then it kind of folds like a. So you'll see. Let me start the process. I'm gonna have to disconnect it right now from the wall. Always when you work with electronics, always make sure that this is unplugged. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, guys. So you see, we have two screws. So you see this one, 2. We're gonna loosen that up, and then we're gonna try to open the hood like a car, you know. As you can see, you just make sure you pull them out enough, and then they can even stay in place there. You see, and then you just open this like a hood, and then I can see right here from the rear of the cassette deck, you're gonna see the mechanism right here. So you'll see. I'm gonna kind of turn it around. I'm gonna turn it around to see why the pinch roller is out of the mechanism. I can see it right here. You see, this is the pinch roller just placed there. So I want to see where it goes. Oh, I see. Okay, right here. Oh, it's broken. Yeah, I see what's wrong now. It's broken. Yeah, it's broken. The mechanism is broken. So I could fix it up with some a JB weld, you know. You can see this piece right here. You see this piece right here? You see how it's broken? It's broken from there, and that's what holds the pinch roller in place, and that's why the pinch roller is flying. You see? Okay, we're gonna see if we can fix it up. Okay, let me see how the pinch roller goes. The position, the exact position of the pinch roller, and I'm gonna do some cleaning since I'm here. I'm gonna check the belts too, make sure they're okay, you know. Okay, guys. So to remove the mechanism, we have 3 connectors we have to remove. This is one of them. This is number 2. Second connector right here, you can see this one, and then number 3, this one right here. Let's see, this one right here we have to remove, and then 3 screws. So it will be a 1, 2, and 3 screws to remove the entire mechanism out of the deck. It looks like it's very easy to service this deck. So I think it's a great job by B&O, you know. The Beocord 8004 we're trying to repair. Yeah, so these 3 thin ones right here, they are for this triangle. So you see I removed it, and then the triangle comes out. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of grease on this area right here, so it runs smoothly. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna, you can see the pieces of all built right there. I already ordered belts. The belts, they're 11 inches, you know, for the large one, and then the square one. This one was a 8.8 inches, you know. And but this one's smaller. Remember, this one's smaller, and this one's a little bit. This is a flat belt. This is more like a square belt. Okay? All right. Okay, guys. So here I got the belts. So you see, it's FBS 11.0, the larger flat belt. I ordered 2. That's what the times 2 means. But that's the size, FBS 11.0. And then the square one, this one. The square one would be a SBS 8.6. So the square one's the one that goes here and attaches to the motor, and the flat one is the larger one that goes into the capstan, you know. Okay, so let me start the putting them back, placing them, and then we're gonna see if it works. So I'll place the flat one first, as you can see, on the lower section of the motor junction here, and then I'm gonna put the square one next, and the square one's gonna go from here to here, you see. So that's what the square one is gonna be at. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, guys, so I got them in place in there. So this one first, the square one, like I told you, the flat one, like I told you, and then the square one on top. So it looks like it fits very, very tight, though, you know, very, very tight in there. So okay, it should be fine though. Okay, so I'm just testing it right now, just to make sure everything turns like it should. Everything looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna take care of the pinch roller now. Okay, remember I have to place back this triangle, you know. I gotta place back this triangle right here. Okay, so and then we're gonna secure everything in place, and then turn it around and take care of the pinch roller. I forgot to mention the pinch roller. I cleaned it with some of that rubber rejuvenator, you know. So it should have a much better grip, you know. All right. Okay, so I got everything back together. You can see I put the pinch roller, and you can see where it was broken. So I tried to put it back with super glue. Hopefully it will hold it in place, you know. What else? Okay. Oh, something about you remember I told you when you remove the mechanism, you remove 3 screws, and it's only two of these connectors you have to remove. I removed this one too. You see, this one. Remember I told you to remove this one. Yeah, you don't have to remove this one. Okay, this one stays in the board. You see, so you don't have to worry about this one. I'm gonna put it back together right now, and then I'm gonna put back the mechanism in place, and then we're gonna test it. Hopefully it will work. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm fast forwarding right now. So you see it's working. We're gonna stop. We're gonna rewind. It's working too, and now we're gonna place play. Okay, looks like it's working too. All right, we're gonna have to check through the headphones to see if it works. So it's working. You can hear the sound over my headphones. The only thing, the sound is very kind of. It needs to be clean. You know, the pots, the slider needs to be clean. It sounds very, especially when you're moving. You can even hear it. That's a dirty pot. So we're gonna take care of that. And then something I noticed is that you see there must be some kind of bad contact there, because the volume meters are not working properly. Okay, so we're gonna do some cleaning of the sliders right now. Okay, so let me disconnect everything again and open it. I was able to put some of this contact cleaner on the on the headphone pot, you know, the slider for the headphones. So and I was able to kind of access it through here, but it worked really well. And then the ones for the records, right and left, it will be through here, guys. You see these? So I put some on top of here, and then you work with the slider up and down up multiple times, like maybe 50 times, and it should work. I see some like color joints over here, so maybe that's gonna solve the problem with the audio, you know. I mean with the meters, you know, with the meters. I'm sorry, with the meters. So we're gonna take care of that right now, and then hopefully that will make it work. Okay guys, so now I clean it really well. I mean, it was all dirty, you know, so I was able to clean it really well. It works now. Let me see something. You see these decks don't have the regular RCA jacks like this kind, you know. I mean, they have a different DIN. That's what you call it. So it goes right there. You see, it's different. I mean, some guys they are able to modify this output and input jack, and so they can have they can record and play the tapes, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna test it in my main system now. Okay, so you give me 1 minute and let me plug everything together. All right. Okay guys, so you can see how huge this cassette deck is. Just look at the size of the Harman Kardon 730. Look at the receiver, and look how big that cassette deck is, just so you have an idea, you know. You have an idea what I'm talking about. Look, it's humongous, you know. Look on the side too. It's very large. Now to plug it, you see I have the DIN to a RCA connector, so you see it even tells you here. So this is gonna be right playback, and this is gonna be left playback, the yellow ones, and then this is for recording. So this is gonna be left recording, and this one's gonna be the right recording on the. If you want to plug it and record, you know, but I'm just gonna play right now, so I'm just gonna use this two right at this moment. All right guys, so let me plug it together, and then we'll be ready to play some music to test it.